Ever wondered how you can make your garden more wildlife-friendly? Today, we're exploring the magic of creating a garden that not only beautifies your space, but also plays a critical role in supporting biodiversity and our environment. Stay tuned as we delve into the process of transforming your garden into a wildlife haven. Start by choosing native plants for your garden. These local flora play a crucial role in supporting our wildlife, providing essential food and shelter for various species. They're the lifeblood of your garden's ecosystem. Remember, the right native plants make your garden a home for local wildlife. Water is a crucial element for wildlife survival. Adding a water source, such as a bird bath or a pond, to your garden is an effective way to attract diverse species. It's a small change that contributes greatly to biodiversity. A simple water source can transform your garden into a wildlife hotspot. Wildlife needs shelter as much as food and water. Creating safe spaces can be as simple as planting shrubs, cultivating hedges, or installing nesting boxes. These features offer protection and encourage wildlife to make your garden their home. With the right shelter, your garden becomes a safe haven for wildlife. Creating a wildlife-friendly garden is easier than you might think. Just remember, choose native plants, provide water, and create shelter. Simple steps, big impact. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.